Hey guys, welcome you all. In this video we will talk about how we can register for Learn to Earn Cloud Challenge and what you will learn, how you can register and which challenge is suitable for you. And in this total challenge we have 32 plus hands-on lab. That means there is no replacement for your hands-on experience because you can learn in short to the point what I offered on my channel, but when it comes to hands-on experience you need to do yourself. So that's why this lab is more important. Not only you will get the badges once you complete the challenge, but also you will get the chance to get these free goodies from Google with their logo. So it's a added advantage, I would say. Let's talk about the offer. This offer is going between 13th September to 10th of October, so you need to finish all your lab and challenges within this time period. But the thing is, there is a time limitation for the registration, so that we will see. And how it works, you first need to understand all the FAQs related to this channel challenges, and then you just to register for all the four challenges, that is for essential, data, architecture and security, and you can earn all four badges. But to participate in this challenge and get some goodies from their end, you need to complete at least one challenge, and one participant can earn only one prizes. So what are those prizes? I'll say these are the four challenges. One is essential for, so Google offers many tools and services, those are best in the market, but here they provide 8 labs related to those best tools. The data challenge is for the person who is working in a data domain, like working for data architect, data mining, data warehousing. This challenge is for them. And third one is architecture. That is my primary domain, where we architect, or we can say the implement, how we can implement the solution, how we can design, how we can architect the solution. That is there in this particular domain. And in the last we have security. That is my secondary skill set. So I'll go for these three especially. I'm not going to register here only for the goodies, but I'm going to register here for my learning and getting hands-on experience on Google Cloud. So that will always help us when you have hands-on experience. That will always help you when you will deal with the customer, client or work in your day-to-day activity. So what are the prize we are having? If you will complete all four challenges, you will get one out of them, teapot or the non-spill sipper. Second prize is this one, this kind of wallet you can say. Third is water bottle. If you earn 2 wedges, if you earn only 1 wedges, you will get 30 free Qwiklabs credits. So this is based on Qwiklabs platform, that is especially for hands-on labs for Google Cloud and AWS. So this is the best tool which provide you real-time portal experience. So don't play with this normally, because if you play wrongly they will disable your account, or they will disable your this Qwiklabs account. So these are the FAQs. You know, every challenge has 8 labs. Let's see one by one how we can register it. So you need to come to this particular page. Here you can see the access code for each lab. So once you, if you want to register for this one, you just need to copy this one and register it. Once you will click on join now, then you will see the sign in page. So you need to select your Google account. If you not registered or you don't have, just create one Google account with gmail.com. So I have this t3p.technology to point at the rate gmail.com. So I am signing in here. Just read this agreement. Once you have read, just click on I'm not a robot and accept it. Once you will accept it, you will be directed on this particular page, where it is mentioned that these 8 labs give you a quick hands-on introduction to the 8 different GCP tools and services, and it will add an skill set in your resume, and you will get the best that you can share with your resume or in your social network profile. So what are the labs included in this one? You will see these all the labs like IoT for the smart devices, then we have BigQuery, then we have Kubernetes engine. So there are 8 different tools, best tools from the market they are offering here. So just you need to click on join this game. Once you will click, you need to provide the access code that we copied from there, and then you just need to click on join. Once you register for this one, it will ask your name, what you want. Let me tell, I'm going for T3P with the name T3P technology to the point. So this is my name. You can choose your avatar, you can choose any, if you have any profile picture or something, you can, otherwise you can go directly for submit. Once you click on submit, you will be able to start. You can see the leadership board, how much you have done and all. Then you can go for start this lab. So you will your start lab will start once you will click on start. Right now I'm not going to do that one. This is for the essential. Let's see what we have in others. Similarly, let me copy this data. Going to join now. Here I'll join, I'll access code, and then click on data. I'm joined with this one. Now you can see it is enabled for learning. So once it will enable it, you will see the blue marks, right? So I'm going to register for architecture. Just click on join now. I would love to see the labs what we have. So we have the labs for cloud functions, that is serverless technology, that is on demand, Terraform, that is automation of infrastructure, that is infrastructure as a code. And also I see there is one lab for Kubernetes. So this is what we will get here in hands-on labs. Might be that is in different one. So just I need to click on join now. Why I'm sharing these all information with you, because I'm also participating it has the value. I don't want to miss this opportunity to play with this one, because we can play with these labs later point of time also with the Qwiklabs, but we need to pay for these labs like $7, $8, $10 for each lab. So right now we are getting opportunity to do it for free. So now I'm registered for architecture one. Now I'm registering for security one. So once you will click on this one, let's see what we have in terms of security, because these are my domains, so I more focused on these. So here you can see, you will see the security based on your VPC networks, cloud identity and access management, API gateway, IAM custom rules, user authentication, service accounts and roles. So whenever you work in any domain, either you are working as a developer or you are working as an architecture or designer, you require information or the knowledge of security, right? So that is the high paying skills in the market. Once you know this all things, your value will be automatically increased. But the last thing, there is only, if you will see in the all labs, we can register till 20th of September, that is 3 days from now. So within just 3 days, and we have some limited spots for these. So once you are done, just follow the FAQs, you will get your goodies, and more than those goodies, you will get the learning that you will not get anywhere for this Google Cloud. I hope this video is helpful for you. See you in next video.